All right, so we're going to have this fake news fact checker. And so that's literally what you're going to do. You're going to check to see if the headline is real news or fake news. You have 3 attempts on this assignment. So the first image you have, it says that this is in New York. You have a U.S. economy as boss, and this is in 2019. So it says the U.S. economy is growing faster than any other country in the world. Well, how can you tell if this is real or fake news? You're going to go to the next slide, and you're going to look at the pieces of evidence that we have there for you. Evidence A is talking about Rohingya refugees in Bangladesh, so we're not looking at that one. Evidence B is showing you population growth. We're not looking at that. And evidence C is showing you growth rates. We're going to look at that. So the United States is at 2.5. China is at 6.4. And again, we're looking at 2019. And India is at 7.8. So the United States is not, the economy is not boss. Because look, we're in third place. We're behind India and China. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the first slide. So this is going to be fake news based off our evidence. Well, what evidence did we use? Letter C. So we're going to put letter C. And since our headline was fake, we now need to make it true. So the U.S. economy is not boss. And we're going to put India economy as boss because that's what the evidence told us. You're going to do that for number 4. You're going to read the image. Is that real or fake? By looking at the evidence. We've already looked at evidence C. So you're either going to look at evidence A, evidence B, or evidence D. And then the same thing. If it's true and real, you don't change it. If it's fake news, you're going to change it to either U.S. population is booming or India's population is booming. And then you have about religion, and then refugees flood Bangladesh. So that is what you're doing for that assignment.